What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today's video, we're going to take my dad's Honda Foreman ES for a little ride because last video, a couple videos ago, we put new tires on it and did an oil change, and we didn't really do a ride. So now we're going to do a ride, and it started snowing like 5 hours ago, so we got like an inch of snow on the ground, and it's supposed to get up to like 9 to 12 inches apparently overnight into tomorrow. So we're gonna do a little ride today, maybe a little muddy, I don't know yet, but we're just gonna go do a little ride on the four-wheeler. By the way, when I film, I have it on this little tripod thing, and I have it zip tied. It's not made for this at all, but I just put it on here, so when I film, I can't be sideways like this. It has to be like this, so I'm very sorry. I wish I could put it sideways, but I can't. I'm hoping to get a chest mount so it can sit on my chest while I ride and actually be like sideways instead of up straight, so stay tuned for that. But for now, it's just gonna have to stay like this. So let's go for a little ride, guys. Oh yeah, guys, looking professional. Am I recording still? Yep. I just hope this camera doesn't fall out. This phone, I mean, doesn't fall out of the thing I have it in. For what it looks like, it's honestly pretty warm out. It's like 40 degrees or something like that. Got these nice 100% goggle gloves. I haven't worn them in a while, so they might be a little too small. Oh, never mind. Look at that. Oh yeah. We took that mudding last week. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. It's pretty tight fit in here. I moved the four-wheeler over a little bit. Alright. I didn't put this in the video, but we took our scrap pile in that was here, and we put pallets down. Well, I did. And I put all the snowmobiles on there and over a tarp, so they're summerized, ready for next winter. We might have to bust them out, because if we get 9 to 12 inches like they say, we're gonna have to get those back out. Oh, it's looking pretty muddy, but oh, the mud hole's still deep. The thing about it is all the snow that comes, that melts, when it does, it goes right into there. So that gets really deep and watery. Like in the summer, it's like a full-blown pond. Gear mine second. Oh, it's not smooth anymore. There's not much snow. It's not smooth. It's all bumpy. come back here this summer and cut down some trees because there's a bunch of trees in my trails. Oh, I forgot those were down. I wonder if this thing could wheelie. Well, I think, yeah, it will. My hat's still there. Ooh, crap, we're going off the track. Oh crap, got it sideways there. Split through the yard, I feel bad now. Okay, I thought about this a little bit. Should I just like put gaming on here? I could do some like gaming stuff or something. I don't know. I'm not a really big gamer, but I do game a little bit. I could put some like gaming videos on here. I don't know. Let me know, guys. Geez, these brakes are bad. I had it locked up all the way up there and it just rolled. I don't really want to like get this thing all soaked in mud, but I don't. Oh. Oh crap, it's icy right there. Oh, that bucked me, bro. Oh, there's a tree. Yeah, I need to come back here and clean up all these trees. That one I can pick up right now. Yeah, that would not be fun to hit at 40 or 20. I even got a light bar on here. Can't see because it's bright out, but that's a light bar. Neighbor's got a skid steer now? What? cold. After you get rotten, it gets pretty cold. This thing used to crawl up that thing easy. Well, it's probably because it's wet. I can't tell if you guys can even see what I'm doing, but I know I'm recording, but I can't tell if you guys can even see what I'm doing. I think you can. Timo burnout. Oh crap, oh crap. There. Made it. Should we try and wheelie this thing? No. I'll probably loop it. Got some air. Oh, it's so bumpy! Oh, backfire. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's cold. How long have I been? 13 minutes? Ooh, 15 minutes or 20, something like that. Things slide pretty good in the snow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm drifting like really good. Whew, cold. This thing is pretty fun. For a utility quad, this thing is really fun. The new tires work really good. Nice nubs. I'm sure my hands are cold. Hold on. Right up. Oh yeah. 2025 hand warmers. Now they're nice and toasty. Alright, let's get back out there. Jeez. I wasn't even trying to get it to slide that time, and it just slid out. Is this how Jeep owners feel after jumping the curb at the Taco Bell parking lot? way too high of a gear. Dude, I just took that thing off-road. Dude, I feel so country now. Just messing around. Oh, that almost went straight into that tree. That would have just took this whole tire off. Oh. 17 minutes. Oh, fuck me. A good thumbnail standing right there. Yeah, I gotta get a thumbnail. Alright, let's see. What if I just... Alright, I got an idea how we're gonna do this. We're just gonna, instead of taking the camera, my phone off the thing, we're just gonna take off my helmet, like you see there. Then we're gonna do this. Turn the camera sideways. How's our thumbnail looking? I think that's a good thumbnail. Let's get some front. Can't even see the four-wheeler. Oh yeah, that's our thumbnail, guys. There's a thumbnail. So yeah, apparently I'm supposed to get like 9 inches or something. So we'll see. We'll see. What does that even say? Ride fit? Ride 100%. Yes, sir. Ow! That hurt my leg. Well, guys, that's going to call it for today's video. If you like content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.